Welcome to TechieLeopard channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no internet after upgrading to Windows 11. So at first, what you have to do is just be on your desktop, then just go to the search option and search for Device Manager. From the best matches, just open up Device Manager. And when you do, just make sure to expand it. And from here, you need to just find network adapters and just expand this. And in here, you're gonna find many options. This is the Realtek GB family controller, my Ethernet controller. If you are using Wi-Fi, you'll find that. And after that, just right click on it, click on properties, then just go to drivers from here. And if you get the option to roll back drivers, just click on this. And hopefully after doing that, your problem should be fixed. But if it's not fixed, what you have to do is just go ahead and click on update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. As you can see, I already have the best drivers installed. If you don't, it's going to update you to the latest one. And after that's done, you need to also do it for the Wi-Fi controller as well. I do not have a Wi-Fi controller in my PC, so that's missing from here. If you do, just upgrade that as well. And after that, what you have to do is just open up your CMD, just type CMD, and then just click on open. And from here, you need to type two commands. The first one is net sh int ip reset. Just type this and click on enter. And it's going to reset your internet thing. And after that, just go to the second command, which is ipconfig space /flush DNS. Type this and it's going to flush the DNS resolver cache. And after that is done, you can close everything out from here. And the last method which you can follow is just go to your run, just go to search and type run. And from the best matches, just open up run. And then just open up ncpa.cpl, just type this and click on OK. And this is going to open up your network connections. If you have Wi-Fi, you'll see a Wi-Fi over here. I have Ethernet connection, so I see that. I just have to right click on it and click on properties. If you have the Wi-Fi, do the same. After that, if you see IPv6, just uncheck this. And after you have done that, go to IPv4 and go to properties. Make sure the first option is selected for both. Obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. Make sure it is selected. Click on OK. Also make sure the IPv4 or rather IPv6 is unchecked. Then just click on OK. Then just close all this and restart your PC and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix no internet after upgrading to Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.